Hi everyone, it's Øyvind Martinsen here. I am in Romsdalen in Norway, and behind me here is a river, and the name of the river is Rauma. In this short video I'm going to teach you how to use a variable neutral density filter to get longer shutter speed in full daylight. I have my Canon 24 to 70mm. I have the filter here in front of the lens. I have a cable release and my Canon EOS 5D camera and my tripod, and I'm going to go up by the river stream behind me here and take some shots. I'll see you there. Here we can see the variable neutral density filter. So when I rotate the ring here, it gets darker, and the other way it gets brighter, dark. So this is between 2 stop and 8 stop. Today it's a little bit misty and we have a little bit rain, so it's wise to bring a cleaning towel in microfiber. Then I can clean the glass here, and small water droplets are very visible in the picture, so it's very wise to bring one of these and keep an eye on the lens. You have to cover the viewfinder. Some cameras have a shutter here behind, but I use my hat on here, the cover, and I prevent the light from entering behind and reflecting the glass on the filter and back to the light metering. If you don't do this, the light can trick your light meter. In this case I have ISO 50, I have aperture 16, f16, and I am using aperture priority, and that gives me long shutter speeds up to 30 seconds now in full daylight. Here you can see the river stream. When I'm working like this, I'm looking for the elements and the contrast between the dark parts and the brighter parts, because that will be my painting, so to say, and I can think of how the water will paint itself in the picture. And when I'm focusing, I'm using the variable filter on 2 stop, because that's the brightest part of the filter, and that enables me to see through the lens and focus. And I use manual focus because autofocus will not function very well when I use this filter. And then I can, when I focus, I then turn the filter up to 8 stop, and then it's almost completely dark. Then I can have 30 seconds exposure now in full daylight. And I'm using aperture priority mode now, and ISO 50, aperture f16, and then the camera will select the shutter speed depending on the light coming in through the lens. Now I'm just playing with different compositions here in the mountain stream. This was a nice session here by the river. You can vary the darkness and get different shutter speeds in full daylight. So let's go in and upload the pictures, and I'll see you inside. Hi again, here I am in front of the computer. I have uploaded my photos into Adobe Lightroom, and let's take a look at the pictures. Let's check these first 4 here. They are of the same composition but with different shutter speeds. The first one here is 1/4 of a second exposure. The shutter speed is 1/4 of a second. And the next one is 0.4 seconds. And this one is 1.3 seconds. And the last one here is 25 seconds. So I used aperture priority light metering mode, and I used ISO 50 and aperture f16, and I rotated the variable neutral density filter to different darkness, and then that gave me different shutter speeds. And you can see here they are very different. The longer the shutter speed is, the more soft the picture becomes. And personally, in this shoot, I like this one, the first one, with the 1/4 of a second shutter speed, and the last one with the 25 seconds exposure. And as you can see, there is some blue-green colors here, and the water is colored by some minerals from the mountains, and that gives the blue-green aqua color. Let's go back here, and we can check 2 other images. This one, another composition. Here I have same settings, ISO 50, aperture f16, and here I have 0.3 seconds exposure, so you can see some details, but not too much. And then we go to the next with the 25 seconds exposure. You see there's more softness. This is more like a painting, and that's what I'm looking for. So, and we can go to the last one. Here I have 30 seconds exposure. I also like that one. Very soft, very soft. So let's go back to the first. Let's see them in full frame. Here it is. This is 1/4 of a second, 0.4 second, 1.3 seconds, and the last here in this composition is 25 seconds. And another composition here, 0.3 seconds and 25 seconds, and the last one is 30 seconds. So I get different shutter speeds because I vary the graduation on the variable neutral density filter. So I can rotate the filter, so I have between 2 and 8 stops darkness. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share and like the video. And I will produce a lot of videos in the next weeks, months and years. So, and if you subscribe, you will be alerted when I post new videos. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon in another video.